A 19-year-old with a gun killed 20 million people. Not directly, but basically. Here is the dumbest way a world war has ever started. Europe in 1914 was like a group chat where everyone had beef with everyone, but nobody wanted to admit it. Every country had secret alliances, basically pinky promises that said, if anyone messes with you, we'll fight them. Great in theory, absolutely catastrophic in practice. June 28, 1914. A royal named Franz Ferdinand is riding in an open car through Sarajevo. An assassin named Gavrilo Princip is waiting to shoot him. Princip's first attempt fails. He gives up, goes to get a sandwich. Franz Ferdinand's driver, who apparently did not get the memo about the assassination attempt, takes a wrong turn and stops the car directly in front of Princip's sandwich shop. Princip walks outside, sees the Archduke sitting there, and shoots him. History's most catastrophic wrong turn. Austria-Hungary blames Serbia. Serbia calls Russia. Russia calls France. France is already allied with Britain. Germany is allied with Austria-Hungary. Germany also decides to invade France through Belgium for reasons, and Britain had a deal with Belgium, so Britain declares war on Germany. In 6 weeks, every major country in Europe is at war over the assassination of a man most of them had never heard of. Everyone thinks it'll be over by Christmas. It is not over by Christmas. It is not over by next Christmas either. It goes on for 4 Christmases. Both sides dig trenches, miles and miles of trenches. They sit in the mud, with the rats shooting at each other across a strip of land called no man's land, which is called that because any man who runs across it immediately gets shot. They discover this repeatedly. New weapons make everything worse. Machine guns fire 600 bullets a minute. Artillery shells can level a building from 2 miles away. And then someone invents poison gas, a yellow-green cloud that drifts into trenches and slowly dissolves people's lungs from the inside. Soldiers are now dying from bad weather they made themselves. The Battle of the Somme, July 1st, 1916. British generals plan a big offensive. They shell the German trenches for a week straight, figuring this will destroy everything. The Germans hide underground. The shelling stops, the British soldiers climb out and actually walk toward the German lines. The Germans come back up with their machine guns. 60,000 British casualties on day 1. The battle lasts 5 months. The British advance 6 miles. 6 miles, 5 months, 60,000 dead on the first day alone. The war lasts 4 years. 20 million people die. 4 empires collapse. A generation of European men is simply gone. And then, this is the part that really hurts, the winners write a peace treaty so humiliating to Germany that the German people spend the next 20 years being furious about it. Adolf Hitler writes a whole book about how furious he is about it. You know what comes next. They called World War I the war to end all wars. It was not the war to end all wars. It was the war to set up the next war. If history had a Yelp review, this one would be 1 star.